don't forget, when you are afraid to invest, wealth become a dream. Generational wealth starts with one person, one risk taker, one investor, one person who understands how money works and puts them into work. This is why I'm thrilled to introduce to you an amazing estate. Oba Estate, the King City, located right here in Ibadan. Situation nested here in Monia Iseyin Road, and this estate is directly facing the express road. This is an investment, a beautiful investment you can gift to yourself, you can gift to your loved ones, you can gift to your generation to come. An investment that promise you capital appreciation and capital growth. This is an investment that promise you high return, a good return on your investment. The best time to invest in this estate is right now, because this estate is currently selling for 500 square meter and 300 square meter. Before this estate was sold in before this estate was selling at 700,000 naira for 500 square meter. Now the estate has appreciated. We are currently selling it, this Oba Estate, for 900,000 naira for 500 square meter, all inclusive, no extra charges. And the document on this land is registered survey, and the CFO is in view. The CFO is in progress. Oba Estate, the King City. We have notable landmark for you in this for this estate, because this estate is sharing close proximity to University of Ibadan, the Lagos Ibadan train station, the Ibadan Inland Dry Port, ITA Ibadan. Be among the smart investors who keyed into opportunity when they see one, because this estate, Oba Estate, located in Ibadan, Monia Iseyin Road. This is an opportunity you should never miss. Get yourself here 1 acre, 3 acres, 5 acres and more of investment, because when this estate will be fully appreciated, you will be having a good high return on your investment. This is the best time to buy this estate now, that is currently selling for cheap price, 900,000 naira for 500 square meter, which is one plot. And sweet thing is that when you buy 6 plots, you will get another 1 plot, which is when you buy 1 acre, you automatically get another 1 plot to that 1 acre. So when you are investing in this estate, you should be investing in 3 acres, 5 acres and more. This is the best time to appreciate your capital. Don't let your money sit idle in one place. Put the money into work and let the money earn more money for you. Remember, to build generational wealth, you have to take some step for the generation to come. Investing in this estate promises you capital appreciation and high good return on your investment. Your investment will keep appreciating. You can build a residence here whereby when you build apartments, or you build short let, you build different kind of investment on this estate when you invest in it. So you keep getting a good return on your investment monthly or annually. So smart investors, buy yourself here 500 square meter for 1 acres, 3 acres, 5 acres and more, 10 acres for investment purpose, whereby when this estate appreciates, you can always flip this estate. You can buy this estate for land banking, land flipping and more investment purpose. This is a residential estate for you, and we also have here for you commercial trade harbor. So beautiful investors, why not take the action today and put the call through me? Put the call to me for more details about this estate. I can take you to inspect this estate and you can subscribe to this estate. Don't forget, you don't always wait to buy land.